Can your deposition testimony be used in court? Can a jury hear what you said in your deposition? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer, and I would like to answer that question for you because somebody recently asked me that question. So first, a deposition is a statement under oath. And many different parties or many different people can be deposed. You can have the parties of the case, you can have witnesses of the case. So depositions can be used in court, but the purpose for which the deposition can be used is different depending upon who you are. If you are a party in a lawsuit, then the deposition can be used for any purpose. It can be used substantively. That means anything that was said within the deposition, the other side can just read in pages of your deposition, or it can be used to impeach your testimony that you gave in the courtroom. For instance, if you say the traffic light was red when you're in the courtroom and you said that the traffic light was green in your deposition, then the other lawyer can bring up that fact, then that is called impeachment. On the other hand, if there is a witness that has given a deposition, the deposition cannot be used substantively, like the substance of the deposition cannot be used unless that witness is unavailable. So if the witness is unavailable for trial, then the deposition can be played if it's on videotape or read in if it's in paper. However, if the person is in trial, then their prior deposition testimony can only be used for limited purposes. The first purpose would be to refresh their recollection. For instance, say they get on the stand and they don't remember something. The lawyer can say, well, is there anything that we can do to refresh your recollection? Isn't it true that on this date you gave a deposition? If I showed you the deposition, would it potentially refresh your recollection? So then you would give them the pages of the deposition. They would read the deposition to themselves. You would go and take the deposition away from them and go ahead and ask your question. If the deposition testimony went ahead and refreshed their recollection, they would go ahead and answer. If they still say, hey, I still don't remember, you can't go ahead and read the deposition because they are here in trial. The other thing, if they are in trial in court, you can use their deposition testimony for impeachment. Same thing that we talked about regarding if you are a party to the lawsuit. In court today, Mrs. Jones, you said that the light was red. Well, do you remember giving a deposition? And in that deposition, you swore to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. And you were represented by a lawyer, or maybe you weren't represented by a lawyer. I would like to turn to page 24, beginning at line 10. You go up to them, you show them the deposition. Is it true that in line 10, I asked you what color was the light, and you answered green? And that's the extent of the purpose that I can use the deposition for, to impeach, and I can show that they had a prior inconsistent statement. If you have any questions regarding the uses of a deposition or anything or an injury case, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.